Hello, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to bypass Google Family Link protection on your Motorola Edge 30 device. So, as you can see, I have parental controls on my device and all my applications are locked. So now I'm gonna unlock it. I'm gonna bypass Google Family Link. So, firstly, we need to open Settings application, then scroll down, click Google, scroll down again, click manage your Google account, wait a while, then scroll down, scroll right, click Data and Privacy, scroll down, choose delete your Google account, and confirm your password, but not afraid if you will recover your Google account later. So enter your password, click next, then scroll down, click I understand, scroll down again, click yes, and choose delete account. Cool, as you can see, all my applications are unlocking this moment. Okay, all my apps are unlocked. So now we can delete parental control from our device. And cool, now we need just recover our Google account. So open Play Store, enter email, click next, you'll see this message, click next, recover your account by entering your password, click next again, you will see this message, then click next and log into your account last time, click next and confirm your account, your password. So cool, now just click next, turn on backup, I agree, accept. Cool, as you can see, Google account was successfully repaired and Google Family Link was successfully bypassed. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment this video, and see you again. Bye.